Hello, my name is Daksh Bhatnagar. I'm working as a manager HR with a leading IT company in Udaipur. In my family, I have my mother, my father, and a wife. I have started my career from hospitality sector. I have done hotel management course. After that, I joined Hyatt in Goa, and then I worked with the Oberoi Udaivilas in Udaipur. After that, there was this interest to work in HR. So I have done my MBA from Bangalore, from ICFI University. After that, I worked into Bangalore in two of the organizations in the HR vertical. And then I came back to Udaipur and I joined this leading IT organization and have grown with this organization in HR field. There were a lot of challenges in this short journey of my career. When I was with hospitality sector, there were times when I used to work for around 14 hours, 15 hours. And it is actually difficult many times because when you do it on a regular routine, it gets difficult. But then you need to keep the fire within you that you have to fight, you have to struggle at this time of your life so that you will have a nice and a good career in future. So there have been examples and incidents in life from which you learn. There were times when my parents used to wait for me for very long in late nights, but I was serving my guests in the hospitality sector. I was responsible for my job. So, by doing this on a regular basis, it becomes a habit, and that professional acumen you develop within you. So that is more and very important part which you learn from your those challenges which you face. After hospitality sector, when I studied again for my MBA and I went to Bangalore, it was the time when I was away from my family, away from my parents. It was a hard time for everybody because when you are in an environment surrounded by strangers and you do not have a family to support over there. Yes, you are connected with them through phone or Skype, but then many times you feel alone. But that is also a time of learning because you develop yourself, you get that strength, you make friends, you make a team, you coordinate with your surroundings, and that is how you shape up your learnings and shape up your career for future. You prepare yourself. So after MBA, there were few organizations with which I have learned, and I've gathered my HR skills and I've developed those competencies. Then I've got a very brilliant opportunity to work back into my hometown, that is Udaipur, with a leading IT organization, and that opportunity has changed my life. There I started with a very basic level in the HR department, but the company has provided me a very good growth, and I was very happy with the organization's culture, with the organization's processes, and that has actually made me where I am today. So if you are also planning to come in HR industry, you have to develop the professionalism within you first of all, because you yourself is a custodian for many. When you join an organization in a HR department, there are lot many eyes upon you. There are people who look upon you and they wanted to become like you, and you are the custodian of to set up the culture of the organization. So it is important that you first develop yourself. You have to bring those competencies within. You have to get up every morning and make sure that you learn something new on that day, and that would actually help you in gaining a successful career in this industry. There is a lot of learning. There are rumors in the market that marketing or finance has a better opportunity. Yes, they have, but HR itself is a very responsible job. There are lot many organizational responsibilities that depends upon HR department, and HR is a very successful career. That's what I can say. So there are few motivational quotes which I have gathered while I was reading some articles on newspaper or internet. So there is one HR famous personality. His name is Dave Ulrich, and he says that no organization is perfect. It is made up of people. It is made up of certain processes, and what you need to do is to stick to those processes, create those processes which are not available, and actually update them, upgrade those processes so that you are the best in the market. Most of you would have already heard about the quotes which Sachin has shared, that journey is more important than destination, and that is what he has done. So you have to dream good, dream big, and then enjoy that journey. Apart from that, there are many other motivations which I have gathered from people around, I mean my seniors, which from whom I have worked. So they always said that we have to learn, and learning is like you have to learn, sometimes you have to unlearn, and then you have to relearn something. That is how you develop and you be a part of the successful journey. Then if I have to go back to time, and if I have to find out like what could have been the very good memory, or I wanted to go back, I would say this is this is much better compared to the journey that I have been facing. There were ups and downs, and there are ups and downs. There will be challenges in future also. But what I am pursuing right now is what I feel is the best time that I have. So I actually do not want to go back to time. If I have to decide whether education is more important or career, by taking my own example, I would say both are more important, and I would give them 50-50% share. This is because education definitely gives you a lot of maturity. It gives you a very good learning. It gives you the scope and idea, but then experience gives you the actual world feeling, what you are going to be, or how you are going to be pursued, or how you will manage your life or your career in future. So experience is more important, because there you meet people, you create your own network, you being a part of a team learns a lot, and those things you cannot learn through books only. Apart from my job, the things that I would love to do, maybe as a part of fun, would be reading good books or articles, moreover articles through internet from your famous personalities, or maybe using Twitter to get the knowledge out of what is happening in the world and what are people's views onto it. And I also believe in giving time to my family, so I do a lot of conversation with my parents, with my wife, and that is the time, I mean, I would consider that as a fun time for myself. So this is what about my story. If you have liked it, if you have loved it, then you can please follow me. If you also feel that your story is also inspiring and it should come on the platform where everyone can read it or see it, then please share your story on this platform, WorkMob. So there's this small two lines which I would like to sing in front of you. This is like that song which comes into my head when I am alone, or when I am with myself thinking and all. So this song actually gives me an idea that you have to work hard, and I mean these things are all materialistic. They are over here in this world, but till the time you are in this world, you have to enjoy your journey. So the lines are: इस जगत सराय में मुसाफिर रहना 2 दिन का, क्यों वृथा करे गुमान मूर्ख इस धन और जोबन का। क्या लेके आया जगत में, क्या लेके जाएगा, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। थैंक यू।